guys, we're going to be going over the Eldoa L5S1 stretch. So what this is going to do is give you a natural decompression. This is great for my low back pain patients, especially in the very lower part of the spine, especially if you had a previous disc herniation. This is proven to show to increase the height of the disc at the L5S1 if you consistently do it over a 3-month plus period. So I'm going to show you how to do it. There's 3 main steps to it, and we're going to go forward right now. So what we're going to first do is lie on our back next to the wall, and you're going to swing your legs up towards the wall and lean them against there. Now your butt can be a little bit further away, but as it gets easier, you'll scoot yourself closer to the wall. Your feet are going to be relaxed and pointed, but when you start, what you want to do is brace your abdominals, almost like you're being punched in the stomach. Just tighten it like that. You're going to point your toes in and down towards you. You're going to feel tension on the back of the legs there. So you've got the tightness of the abdominals, which is creating a pressure in the lower part of the abdomen, which is stabilizing the low back. Then you're getting a stretch on the lower extremity. While you hold that, you're going to extend your wrists and arms overhead. You're going to reach up, and then once your arms get overhead, you're going to reach up away from you. You can hold this for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to relax everything. 10-15 seconds later, you'll start again. Brace, toes in and down, arms and wrist up, reach overhead, and then we'll lift arms up. Relax. Repeat. Brace the abdominals, feet in and down, wrist, arms up, reach overhead. You can hold longer than 10-15 seconds if you like. You can go upwards of 30 to 45 seconds all the way up to a minute. But you do want that break in between. Relax, then go back into it. That's what's going to open the disc and then relax it, pumping blood in and out of there and getting the inflammation out too. We have a ton of patients that do this with great success. I also do it myself, especially before any leg workouts from old injuries I've had. So give it a shot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. All right? Have fun.